And you are the same people who watered down the events. I lead to the extradition of Ofori-Atta. And I've said same to some other people. Even in the case of Ayeni, I have said it publicly. Sir, the suspicion is that Ofori-Atta ba obeba Ghana hano and penifobi esipeg empesa Ofori-Atta beba.
All right, abusuya ya science ahia bi me hia se dia na ensam no. Dia kwa de dia bani na na yetna se edi ho enkomo na abusuya ensam bebre e wo ho. Sesi amanu kasa de Nana Poku Listowel waba be bie kibi e wo Ken Ofori-Atta ne ho sensem. Sesi ane de ye na tumi se Ken Ofori-Atta ba bia adu ne de wa ye US citizen enti ebe ye den se Ken Ofori-Atta be ba Ghana na ende Nana Poku aba be di nkomo aka ensem bi onim se demonstration upon demonstration na Ghana for aye afa Ken Ofori-Atta ho se ye be extradite no amana ba Ghana no anye ye na ende Listowel aba be bie kibi ake se expose impanifo a omo e support eye Ken Ofori-Atta se omba Ghana na ya prosecute no abusia Nana Poku aba be bie da ki no e di amaye eye Ghana politics TV message send the first time one I need them no subscribe wa share e di amame say the any update bi anso e ba onso obenya bi enti no wa share ama afofro nso anya bi ati enti abusuya nkomo a ni na be ka mensa eye anti corruption ho sensem abusuya koso e wo Ghana sisi ane de eye aginsem ene froster for abusuya a omo wo Ghana chese sisi ane de usika kra e da account no anhwe ya obetumi ayi abra na hu nipa kro na ende Listowel aba be di nkomo e de afa eye Ken Ofori-Atta ne ho sensem abusuya e da so e wo Ghana yehu babia ni pomasi bre ewa ababeji insam no abedi nkomo aye expose impanifo a omo e support eye Ken Ofori-Atta se e mane mba Ghana no abedi nkomo e wo ho aka insam advantage innocent abusuya ono so abedi nkomo e dia fa eye anti corruption abusuya e koso e wo Ghana ene eye OSP hu sensem abusuya ano odin yenko na yenko tie video no emra
Minya call from Abaimu Penibio. Na or suggested to me say Listowel adia moye ahwe no betimi ayama Ken Ofori-Atta mawo. And I me busa and say how? O say lawyer bi a friend say the ye no kura bema America for adwen say Ken Ofori-Atta no oba ebe ni bibi. Na say how? America now want to democracy. I say why democracy over 200 years no. Protest. A weaponized. Your friend is saying a programmer and no to me lead to say your protest now yes or mama Ken Ofori-Atta magana no. Ebe say no what say I'm say my main kind of crench no. Or penny on. I'm say so mudi agro no man Ken Ofori-Atta magana. Because you are and you are the same people who watered down the events. I lead to the extradition of Ken Ofori-Atta. And I've said same to some other people. Even in the case of Ayeni, I have said it publicly. Sir, the suspicion is that Ken Ofori-Atta ba obeba Ghana hano and penifobi esipeg empesa Ken Ofori-Atta beba. Now I have always signed this word of caution to them. Say, "Muntimi ma Ken Ofori-Atta ntina mo ni mu nwase because me gidi say mo integrity." Unless say mo na ko chase Canada.
But this same dey okay. Na eji akọ America ekọ back.
Oh, the bi mi nua me kire wade bi ye bi say my we ekọ no manu makro. Ken Ofori-Atta nti ana OSP ye ni ko gina court ye say OSP kro ni authorization Ken Ofori-Atta. On this sledge. Obiatimia from Mexico $94 million. Sledge now na mislego no I want to talk as bebe now na say komo bebe no sa sledge no $94 million I share it to
evidence way.
What are you talking about? This is public knowledge. Go to the OSP page and see what is there. $94 million also the Koto gold. I share it to and when the OSP quite shame what you say, I hear you down for no. It came publicly. And until OSP no crowd authorization, one Supreme Court ruling no. What kind?
Okay, so how does this one link to
the
topic I here discussing?
Corruption related offense. Now him make I see the meaning can hear so. Except say at some point many nyadwen on the institutions of anti-corruption and corruption related many nyadwen say the more now work on for no the more now will be institutions. Yes, I can because Ghana Police Service, Immigration, Fire Service, as one institution. Chrono, it comes in several forms. And until Osha Bibi to say Shraja, a institution or share also Commission for Human Rights and Administrative Justice. Human rights near one. Administrative justice is number 2. Now, administrative justice, there is corruption in there. Breach of administrative your friend is saying processes leading to corruption and untina shrad na adwuma ebiom okoyokwa say yade sa to me no dey share corruption and corruption related offenses no e dey akoma OSP and yes wono no dey ne say fa ne say institutional thefts ne nyoma no obetumi akom yoko organized crime and na yama OSP so to me say ono the corruption and corruption related offenses no on making sure say obekye akronfo and yama CID Ghana Police Service susu to me say ono susu betimi a prosecution meboa so if Attorney General etimi bejina bedwam Deputy Attorney General bejina bedwam say high court be say your friend say OSP need authorization now your lawyer ni that day I bowed my head down in shame. And I critiqued it. And I said, be a mechanic, and if you play my video, it is as if say me a Supreme Court judge. When you back when film, there's a judge in the class who knew law. And it was a disgrace to the Attorney General and Minister for Justice. A big disgrace. Say court to be a team order say, Kwaje dockets are a OSP. Because when we say what a chap from for, look, there be a many, Kissi Agyebeng no kontokwa say. Senkomu kan djuma omo ye wo OSP office wa ana enye se omu suro ana say politics abeba bebamu ana omo ye ens osi omo di osi ye yo aka bia omo ya te de ye mu bi ye ni de ekoso yeah because of how we follow events yetimi hu say adie we na Kissi Agyebeng no mo ye investigation we no mo ye na say ya omo ko your friend is saying oil firm bi awotema now oi ado ma ransack office o kwache kronfa ye den o kwache kronfa do na do o kronfa hu ofe pa bra ne enko we bupu magasin se me ba kronfa hu ofe obi bo micro no wo kwache no wo say eni kwan say okọ in that Rambo star fine ebi wo anye
okay
but say ehwe enyoma ekoso wo ma we a akwai say politicians no ena omo no aform a syndicate now baby aye kwano asomai no omafo ani tia eba mu ne say akoye bibi to say these two political parties have formed a syndicate. Scratch my back and I'll scratch your back. It's a dangerous grounds. Anunti ana can Ofori-Atta asenu da bia me betre studio ha me refi said dey kura me pese me boso now to the substantive na mawie edi asem ne yeka aksa me boa so between obia ono ye confrontatry amwa owo institution bi mu a ono ne allegations ne yeka ho asem so ama aban mu mpanifo bi sika wo which allegations I want them to scrutinize. I want OSP to do much work into it to ascertain whether or not asema akwani kan no ewo emudie
o kan yes say
there be a email
asema email send ye nkitawudie no na wana na edi woni ne co-conspirator na edi sankita ho meboa mama nkitahu bia ma say o ma opani kodo mensa 1 cedi okay
it as it stands now I was here hwehwem say I am passe nkitahu dia na so discard come obi na ampa o discard na anana
okay
because oba parliament of Ghana din and is an institution na yentimi nhwe say obi di allegation be to parliament so wa bra yan hwehwem
abo ministry
din and at that time na minister wo ho Keti Hamona meeting in common affair rather than cross on all these things, say I usually more yet on my way any more form.
Yeah.
And on a corruption perception index. When you are perceived to be corrupt as a state, investor crampo ma. Because moon say mono phobia, muja de mudians and moya juma, I juma na maybe and crano, mubenya home fast so. Musabe juma
yes,
a lot of them. Nana ya transi ya Canada asemwa. Na me nu ebusa say. Na me nu ebusa say, eye den na obi a waye boni waye dream say. Na Akufo-Addo ko appointed ne say won konkoye eye aban mu nipa. Now can you be appointed when you are not a criminal under Akufo-Addo?
Oh, but you will be
Listo, yes, a cathedral and a catibetum and a same cathedral meboa. Majority of them in this instance are criminals. Majority of them. Ministry be no one money. Now, Paul say one na or sorry, I would dear 10 years, I'll be a night, Yoko, Napo, or Napo, Miami, Napo, or not. I didn't hear. Yes, you didn't find a time I won't. And you know, say Akufo-Addo be appointee or appointee will be an inquiry can Ofori-Atta or no 76 hour tax saving might be a finance minister. If we are saying now MPs claim say no where they can approach so do you 80% of them.
Okay.
Oh, and you know, except you are a criminal, except you are corrupt, Akufo-Addo will not appoint you as minister or as even a CEO. Well, probably obey work and pay. Now this I won't work and pay. No, wouldn't work. How do you pay?
Okay.
And you know, a idea was in that 8 years under Akufo-Addo no. So by way see obey yet idea boy man for now I him from day one all the appointments, all the appointees, offices.
Okay.
Now your friend be fiscal decentralization. What you analysis car omoji ye baby omo can call ye any baby as can kodru omonya audit national audit ni ehu sika omoji all years now omo 8 years no sika omoji any the omo this can ye nyina me see they can't account for 10% of that money.
Okay.
And you know
me da say
obi adi for till you say you are not guilty until you are proved guilty.
Okay.
So you say you are guilty until you are proved innocent.
1 minute. Why?
Yeah. You are guilty until you are proved innocent.
What do you 1 minute?
So I think
sorry, 1 minute.
That issue we quite fast way back out to say the company in question on one compliance unit and a due diligence review and on all these conspiracies and so it took somebody to make a step.
Yeah.
And I cover Sanema way in Aba. You see, Ghana is highly complicit in some of these criminal stuff because Yahano, in terms of oversight responsibility, is so weak to the stand. I know I was reading some document between 2017 to 2015. Sika Abakroma through romance scam, fraud, and as for more than $300 million. Nasa Sika no Yantichira Ngu Adakam near the funds so by you. They all went through the financial system. And about Chroma say, a due diligence bang, and when it comes to some of these things. Now we are complaining some of these young guys are making money now for I receive $100 million on one tonsment. I first a poultry farm crowd, and no serious country will sit aloof and what Obi besides identity US Ghana for comply with the US. Ghana will comply because the nation is complicit, because no serious nation will sit down and allow some of these monies to just come in. And it's our weakness, and our criticism of these things and the institutional involvement. And are you aware that even Greco is involved in this scandal?
Oh, baby, and there's some
Greco officials, so ECG. So it's a whole lot of conspiracy chain. I think, sir.
U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC for and almost taking that civil action against him. See, our SEC will Ghana. Yes, I was second, but ye who do Mugu, a Mesa Thompson, ye would do Mugu almost 1 minute, a dear man on mobile. A dear man, a Mesa Thompson. 1 minute.
I said, me, I kind of a fair fee. Mr. Atemba Quebec, clear communication. This year, yes, so your baby, and pay actually the same way. I wish that you be a very good communication around this whole thing. Na platforms are no the same information around it. Yeah, you spread the information wrong. Yeah, now of course you're politicizing. Yes, I don't comfort do that any interest view. Now or you if you but these are issues see Amakano character over just intelligence. Say you build a character. Say mine subain usunu ubain no. Yeah, me say ubon say kodu baby sa perception na catch you say obi adwene mu say man way for no omundi no kre no obi si wa ma mebie eduma e wo kuro mu biom no so e wo ho yesa so wone a ye bo say ofriga na pe na de ni mienu na eden e hwe nti muma ye hwe ni yie obi wa obeka say wo de untu kwan so a onam wa ukuro mu kra pa obi ba o say nkrofo we yen hwe obi
munya me enkoya salata fo atiri ba
muma enfa adewe character building no muma ento so ebribini ye boga na nipa say o we mu pass njo nipa muma enfa no over ahunya say these people are wealthy and yeah no our wealth should be created through character.
Thank you.
Good and hard work.
Nana, briefly, for a while now I've been following
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Oh, the Indian American Honorable Haruni Dusa Semno. Oh, National Teaching Council. National Teaching Council. Man Penia appointment no. Ubi da so.
Okay.
Akwebe a friend Christian Agyebeng.
Christian Agyebeng, yeah. Former Nagrats.
Christian Agyebeng no. So be a kind of even in the run up to the 2024 election. Odimu ki kan sem hunu kire jo mahama pi. Ene odaso te ho.
Na se tienyi na di.
Tienyi na di. One enti jo mahama ba na ko se haru na du su twen. Ye po ya point obi. Ye se twen. Na wo haru na twen na former minister no. Won tena ho. Till now, I can be there.
Okay.
We're careful.
Nana Poku Listowel.
There are only 2 deputies. I'm here, Juma. But on one of the Ofori-Atta, charges teachers no more license exams. And I don't know, I can't say license exam with them.
So that's all.
I'm not sure be January, February.
Wow.
In the coming days, I'm going another license exam because I'm charges to a teacher 550 cedis.
No, I must have failed.
It's a real no discount, no market charge.
And you and I.
No, yes. I didn't let your mama promise that that's all.
Okay.
Look, the incompetence is getting to a sky where we must nip it because you're here. I bet to say, your friend is saying, your
time is up. Ivan,
yo,
J Innocent, Medase, and Jeffrey Okansi.
Next week,